Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Stacy. Welcome. Today's video is going to be a spring cleaning video where you go around and just clean all the fun stuff that you don't clean on a regular basis. Today's video is in collaboration with two other mamas here on YouTube. Their names are Cassie from Cassie Lynn and Valerie from DandV'sFamily. So I will have their videos linked below in the description box. If you are coming over from their channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what you see and check out all the other content on my channel and subscribe before leaving. Alright, let's get to cleaning. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be cleaning in today's video are our couches. As you can see here, the kids love to eat on the couches, and a lot of times we'll have movie night, so right there is just some leftover popcorn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up.
So I just wanted to take this moment and tell you a little bit about my channel. I love to clean and organize, so you will find at least one cleaning video every week on my channel. And I also do some cooking videos as well as beauty related videos, and I do some family vlogs every now and again. I am going on 19 years of marriage this coming May to my high school sweetheart, and we have 3 boys ages 12, 9, and 4. So hopefully you like what you see and will stick around for more.
Ceiling fans are another area in our house that I don't clean on a regular basis. So definitely every spring I like to take a moment and just go around and dust all the fans and the light fixtures. Shutters and blinds are another thing that I like to do when I spring clean. This is something I usually do like on a monthly basis, but definitely it was time to do it, so I wanted to include that in this video. We have shutters through our entire house, which is a 2-story. So a lot of times I will go through and clean when I'm cleaning the room, but other areas of the house do get a little bit neglected. One of the areas being in our staircase, which you will see here shortly.
fastest way to clean my shutters is with this little Swiffer duster, and as you can see, you can extend the pole and it reaches quite a ways, allowing me to get to that window far over there. But another thing I like to do when I'm cleaning my shutters is to take some end dust and a microfiber cloth, and this gets it a little bit cleaner and gets any smudges or anything like that off from our dirty handprints. I always love to have our blinds open just to allow the sunlight in, especially during the winter time, just to warm up the house. But now that spring is approaching, it was definitely time to give our windows a good wipe down. So here I'm just working on my sliding glass door, and I have this little window washer with a squeegee that I use for the outside windows. It's not very often that I move furniture to clean behind it, but this is one of the areas where sometimes I get that itch to move the furniture and clean behind it. So here is behind the recliner where our subwoofer goes. Since we have gotten the hardwood floors and no longer have the carpet, we tend to get a little bit more dust bunnies that float around. So I'm finding that I have to move the furniture every now and again to clean that up. And here you can see a bunch of the kids' toys. This is another area that I clean semi-regularly, which is the microwave, but as I was going through spring cleaning, I noticed that my microwave was dirty, so I wanted to give that a good wipe down. The best and easiest way to do this is just to take a little bowl or cup of water and heat it up for a couple minutes. That will allow the water to steam and loosen all the grime and crumbs up and make it easier to clean. Then I will take my rag and just dip it in the hot water and use that to kind of loosen up the crumbs. Once I'm done wiping it out, I will take that glass tray and give that a good wash, and the microwave will be nice and clean. One area that gets neglected quite a bit is behind the refrigerator. This is an area where a lot of dust and crumbs can gather. As you can see here, there were some kids' toys and different things back here that I just needed to give a good sweep. The vents behind the fridge also are a place that gather a lot of dust, so it's really important to clean that up every now and again. So I'm just taking the vacuum cleaner and vacuuming up all the dust, and this will just help your refrigerator to run more efficiently and to last longer. Air filters are another area that we should be replacing on a regular basis, at least once a month, especially here in Arizona where it's super dusty. But here I'm just cleaning the air filter because it's super dusty, and then as you can see, I'm just taking these inexpensive air filters and replacing them. Unless you have a lot of allergies or anything like that in your household, you don't need those super thick air filters. It actually makes your air conditioner work a little bit harder to pass the air through those air filters, so I prefer the inexpensive ones. And we have 2 air filters that hold 4 of those filters. The other one is up a little bit higher, so I have my husband help me with that one. The last thing on our list here are baseboards. So I do this one of 2 ways. I either take my Swiffer duster if I'm being lazy, or again, I will use the end dust and a rag. And this is also something that the kids help me do periodically as one of their chores to earn money. Okay, that wraps up this video. Again, don't forget to go check out the other 2 mamas here on YouTube, Cassie and Valerie. Their videos will be linked in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye everyone.
Stay tuned for the bloopers, you guys. This wouldn't be one of my videos without them.
What?
Who does this?
Huh?
Who does that and makes crumbs?
Huh? Stetson or Levi?
Not you?
No.
Of course not. Right? You don't make messes, huh? Please.
Check. Chucky.
Why isn't it coming? World. Okay, this isn't very nuts. This usually comes.